How to fix voice chat SDK in Mobile Legends. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. Now, there isn't a direct way for users to fix the voice chat SDK software development kit in the Mobile Legends. The SDK is a behind the scenes tool that developers use to integrate voice chat functionality within the app. However, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix the voice chat issues in Mobile Legends on your end. The first thing you want to do is check for the game updates. Ensure that you're playing the latest version of the Mobile Legends application. Outdated version might have bug affecting voice chats. The next step is to restart app and device. A simple app restart and device restart can sometimes resolve the glitches. Close the Mobile Legend app completely and then relaunch it. Additionally, consider restarting your phone or tablet entirely. Next thing is to verify internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for voice chat to function properly. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using cellular data. Next thing you want to do is make sure that you have granted microphone access. Mobile Legends need permissions to access your device's microphone for voice chat. Next thing you want to do is make sure that the voice chat settings is enabled in-game. For that, you want to navigate to the settings menu. Look for the section called sound or voice chat. There you can check if voice chat is enabled and adjust volume levels for microphone and voice chat output. If even after doing all of these things, your issue has not been fixed, then you want to contact the customer support of Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.